Hello again everybody, this is Mark and we are back for more lessons. Okay, so we are still in the book Speak Out Elementary. Okay, now before anything else, I would like to ask you some questions and you can pause the video so that you will have time to answer these questions. Okay, so question 1. What are 3 things you don't like when riding a bus? Okay, and question 2. When was the last time you took a plane? Okay, so after answering those questions, we will now proceed with today's chapter. It's 9.2, city bikes. Okay, city bikes. If you have your book right there, you can open it up and try to follow us with the review. Okay, so today's vocabulary is about adjectives. Okay, so adjectives. Let's try to discuss some words. Fast, and the opposite of fast is slow. Okay, and next is easy, and the opposite of easy is difficult. Okay, so for example, the exam was difficult, or the test was easy. Okay, next is comfortable, and the opposite of comfortable is uncomfortable. Okay, so yes, for example, riding a bike going to work is very comfortable. Alright? So next is convenient. Okay. Opposite is inconvenient. Okay. Let's say motorcycles are very convenient because it makes our life easier. Okay. Smartphones are very convenient. Right? Okay. So whatever makes your life easier is convenient. Okay? So next is safe, and the opposite is dangerous. Okay? So always wear your helmet. So always wear your helmet to be safe. Okay, right? So next is healthy. There. Healthy. And opposite is unhealthy. Okay, so riding a bike every day is healthy. It's good for your health, right? Okay, next is polluting, and opposite is green. Polluting is bad for the air, okay, bad for the water. Like for example, let's see, very old cars are polluting the air. Okay, they are polluting the air, so that means like black smoke come up of the car. It is not really good for the air. Green is, it's nature, so it's environment friendly. Okay, so let's try to pronounce each word. You can follow after I pronounce, or you can say it together with me. Okay, so let's start. Fast, slow, easy, difficult, comfortable, uncomfortable, convenient, inconvenient, safe, dangerous, healthy, unhealthy, polluting, green. Okay, so you can pause the video and rewind if you want to practice more pronunciation. Okay, so now let's proceed with grammar. Okay, so today's grammar is can and can't, or cannot, have to and don't have to. Okay, so can, here let's try to see. Okay, so the subject, if the subject is I, you, he, she, we, they, we can use can or can't. Okay, so for can, if you have your book, you can open your book on page 144. Okay, page 144, you can see some examples there. So can is used when something is okay. It's okay. Alright, it's permitted. Okay? So for example, you can go to school. So it's okay. You can go to school. Or if you use can't, it's not allowed, not okay, not okay. Alright, so you can't, example, you can't message me. So not allowed, don't message me, you cannot, okay? So, or I can't go outside because it's raining, so I can't. If I go, I will get wet, right? Okay, so next is have to. Have to is must. You need to do it, okay? So let's try I, you, we, they. We use have to, or negative is don't have to. So you don't have to do it. For example, let's try this sentence, okay? So example, we have to pay 10 euros. So I need to pay 10 euros. Or I don't have to pay 10 euros. Okay, so it's okay not to pay. Alright? So don't have to and have. Okay, and if your subject is he, she, and it, so it is has to, not have to. Has to, and negative is doesn't have to. Example, he has to come to work at 7 a.m. That means he needs to go to work at 7 a.m. He must, okay? Or she doesn't have to go. Okay, she doesn't have to go to work. That means it's okay for her not to go to work, okay? But if she wants to go, it's okay also. If she doesn't want, it's okay. So she doesn't have to. Okay? So that's it for today. And yes, if you have any questions, you can write on the comments below, or you can come visit us here in Royal English. But before I let you go, I want to ask you 2 questions. Okay, so 2 questions. And first question is, how much does a bike cost in your city? So how much? You can say about 1 million dong or about 2 million dong. I'm not really sure, so you can tell me, okay? And next question is, what's the best way to get around your city? Okay, so what is the best way to go to places in your city? Okay? So again, you can comment in your answers below, or you can tell me your answers personally if you visit here in Royal English. Okay? So yes, again, my name is Mark, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.